Good night, ladies. Good night, ladies. It's time to go to bed.
Mama used to always sing that to us before we go to bed. Yes.
And Melanie has got ladies. Sweet dreams, ladies. Sweet dreams, ladies. It's time to go to bed.
That sounded more like a wake-up song. She would do it much slower.
She would do
Yes.
Good night, ladies. Good night, ladies. Good night, ladies. It's time to go to bed. And at nighttime comes and my prayers are said. I go to sleep in my little white bed, and God takes care of me.
That's the one I remember.
Yes, we were singing nighttime songs, and then we're going to sing Yellow Bird.
Yellow
Rosa
Bird.
Bastos.
Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, a sentinel alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad, makes me feel so bad. In the sky you're more lucky than me. 'Cause I live the uppy, teeny weeny housey. I live the uppy 31st floor. I take any very big washy, ruffles on the petticoats, 10 cents more. Way down in Chinatown, big man come around, take a little girl from poor Chinese.